Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals. Now these deals, guys, have tons of clearances attached to them because we have tons of coupons attached to them. Also, we have another 5 off 25 starting on 8/4. I hope you guys took advantage of the early activation that I did in my Dollar General ad preview because that involved the chips, the buy two Fritos and the free box of chips along with that 5 off 25. But it is a silver lining to that, guys, because if you wait until 8/4, go to a store that's not heavily populated with a lot of younger families, and you should be able to do that deal again starting on 8/4 with the chips. So that's an awesome deal, okay? Now we have a couple of freebies in here, glitches. I'm not going to be able to get through it all inside the store, so I am going to post another video, but that will not be an in-store video. So just be looking out for that. You should see that on Monday, okay? Now, guys, let's get in here and let's get it going. Okay, guys, so let's get to our first deal. And it's going to be, of course, what I told you about. It's on the Fritos, Doritos, Tostitos, and the dips. Buy 2 bags and you get 1 free. Now the reason why I'm coming on to you guys is let me show you what just happened. I'm going to scan it and I'm going to show you the deal first, and then I'm going to tell you what just went on with a customer in the store. Okay, so now it says Fritos $4.95, and then they have an instant offer of buy 2 select Cheetos, Tostitos, Fritos, or dairy dips, get 1 18-count multi-pack for free. Now this is what went on. These are $4.95 each. This is $4.95. These are $4.95. As long as you're buying in sets of 2, that's fine. Now let's get to another one. Okay, she came and picked up these for $3.80, 2 of them. Now when I scan it, it says $3.80, no deal. Now they did not specify the price. They didn't specify the price, but I believe it's only working on $4.95 and up. So do not grab these because it didn't work. I'm going to scan this for you also so you can see that it does not work. $3.30 does not tell you that. Yes, that's Fritos. Yes, that's Tostitos. But only works on the $4.95 bags and dips and chips. That's it. So now she tried to force her to give it to her, and she would not do it because she told her if she scans, she'll see what it works on. So be mindful, okay? Let's get to our next deal. Also understand that you get to use this on the 4th. And you can do a double dip with that deal. So make sure you understand that. Now let's get to the next deal. Okay, we're going to come over here to the air freshener aisle. We're going to pick up a Glade. All right, look at this deal. $2.25 right here. $2 coupon, 25 cents. These are 25 cents. Now, the silver lining, if you can find the ones that's clearanced out, you will actually have a money maker with it. Money maker means you're either in an old store, old register, or you'll just get it for free. All right, do not think that they're going to give you money back. People emailed me that does not work. So this is actually 25 cents today. I'm going to tell you something. Look high and low for the clearance part, but if you don't find it, this is still an awesome deal. Okay, glitches, people, glitches. Look at this right here. You're going to pick up the Wick 360 warmer. Right here is 1. We're going to scan that. All right, let's scan it. And when we scan it, we see that it's $2.25. Let's look at the coupon. That coupon actually goes along with this Wick warmer. Now let's read it. It says save $3 on any one Wick with the registered in the back of it means Wick period, any Wick, scented or advanced warmer or starter kit. Okay, this is not an advanced warmer and it is not a starter kit. So you're going to get, this is your money maker of 75 cents. Remember what the money makers are. You're either in a free store an older store, I'm sorry, you're in an older store, old cash register, this receipt is not disconnected from the regular part of the receipt, or the cashier, the register is old, punching in the numbers. New store, you'll just get this for free, okay? Glitch, it still does work on this right here, okay? It does still work on that. And if you want to get more bang for your buck, you can get this. This is the kit right here. The kit is $4.25, $3. So you will pay $1.25 for a warmer and the oil. That to me is the better deal, especially if you don't, you'll get your warmer plus that. That's the better deal to me. Now, even better deal, if you can find this Airwick warmer refill peach nectar, it's a kit. It's going to be $2.33. That $3 coupon also attaches to that, guys. Okay, still in the air freshener aisle, the Febreze right here, the small space, it's $3.25. They gave us a $2 coupon, making this $1.25. And this is also an inflation rise, guys. Remember, they used to give us enough so that this was 95 cents. That coupon used to be $2.30. Inflation. So the Easy Clean Foam and Toilet Bowl Cleaner is brushless. It's 2 powder packs. They're on sale. They're originally $5. They gave us a $1.50 coupon, making them $3.50. Now, I haven't tried this. So if you're into trying new products, my sister did tell me that this was awesome. I think you drop it down in your toilet. Yep. The water in the bowl. Okay. So that's a good deal. Because it's a new coupon to it, that might be won't last long. Now let's look at the Clorox bleach. They haven't been giving us coupons on this one. So that's $4. They gave us a $1 coupon for the bleach drop-ins, okay? Which is another good deal. Now I want to see if they gave us a coupon on that. That's $2.75. Yes. So they gave us a 75-cent coupon, and that is $2. Okay. So we'll pick up one of those. Now, because of the clearance, let's look right here. See that? Oh, let me show you guys how I got to it. See this coupon? Tap it. It'll open the coupon itself up. Then it's going to show you everything it attaches to. If you can find this pine soil, which was on clearance last time they had a big clearance, then they're going to take a 75 cent off that. That's a good deal also. Okay, the Mr. Clean right here is $4. They gave us a $1 coupon, making it $3. And then we also had a spend 30, save 10. Okay, now they already put notices up. They won't combine that 5 off 25 and this one. But you guys know if you go to $35, it should pick it up, right? So some detergents as usual. We do not want to block those out. And you're gonna go to the Oxy right here, 14 pack, $4.25. $4.25 on the app, and it's a $2 coupon. Now, I'm showing you guys these deals. Make sure that you combine them with a 5 off 25. In fact, I'm going to put a video out for it. So, because I don't want you guys to miss it. Another great deal you have. Right here, it's going to be on the extra. Now, I think I went over this in my ad preview. $5.75. Look at that, a $2 coupon. That's a good deal. But if you can find the extra that had the coupon attached to the top of it, you got a double doozy because you got 2 coupons, but you cannot stack them, okay? The Purex right here. Purex, $10. Right here, $2 coupon, $2 coupon, and $2 cash back. Both are manufacturers, they will not stack. So choose one or the other, or if you hit both like me, they're going to take the coupon first. And last but not least, and I know I missed a lot of things, guys, the Palmolive right here is $2.75. They gave us a $1.50 coupon off of one. That's an awesome deal. But if you want to make more bang for your buck, you can get the ones that's 2 for $5, guys. All right. Okay, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Harvey's Coupon Camp. Be looking out for some more videos coming this week. Bye.